Hi, I'm Jennie. Today I'm going to make some maybe your favorites one of Korean foods, soft tofu stew. So it is also my favorite stew in Korean food. So today I will prepare some seafood. There's a shrimp, mussels, and squeeze, and some calm shell. And this is a soft tofu, and egg, and a red pepper, and minced garlic, and this one is a chili powder, and green onion, and this is a zucchini. So I will cut all this vegetable first. This zucchini. And cut this half, like this size. And, this one, onion. Some onion. Okay. And first, we turn on the heat and now I'll make the chili oil. This is very important for this soft tofu stew. Cooking oil. Some 3 spoons of cooking oil. One more. And here, some minced garlic, little bit, and green onion, sliced green onion. And fried it. And then when you can smell some of them, garlic and onion, well cooked. And this time, you put this chili powder. 3 spoons. This depends on you. If you like a spicy one and you more powder, chili powder, and if you don't like spicy one, and you can put just 2 spoons, 1 spoon. Okay, and lower the heat. So I'll pour little bit of water, maybe half cup of water. Can you see that the oil floating on the stew? And here, you put this seafood first. It smells a little spicy. It's quite spicy now. But sometimes we use pork as well. But today I will put the seafood. And here, pour some more water. It's 2 cups more. Okay? And the power up the heat and leave it. When this stew is start to boiling, and then you put this vegetables, and the last you put this soft tofu. And now it start to boiling, and I put this zucchini and onions. I think it's better to boil about 10 and more minutes. So you can taste the deep, good taste of stew. Because there's a seafood, so it needs time. Now it start boiling. You taste a little bit, and then it depends on you. If you like is salty enough, and it's okay. But I will try first. Yes, it needs some more salt. So I'll put this salted shrimp. Little bit. And if you don't have a salted shrimp, you just put salt. It's okay. Now, I think it's time to put this soft tofu. Okay? And cut here. You squeeze the soft tofu. I'll put all of them. This tofu is really good for health, as you know. And then we need some time to boil, and put some red chili. I think some more the leakage of anchovy extracts. And now lower to the heat. And the last, we need an egg. You break the egg and don't mix. Just pour inside like this. So we usually serve this soft tofu stew really pot. It's a stone pot. The egg is easily cooked inside the stew because the stew is so hot now. Just stir one more time until the part of white egg is mixed. And here, the last, you put some more green onions. Now it's ready to eat. Okay, it's finished. If you, when you make this soft tofu and eat with rice, it's fantastic. I'm sure that. This is a small pot. If you have both side handle, the pot, you put, or if you have a stone dish, and then you serve with that. But now, I will use this one, like this. Okay, this is finished. It is a soft tofu stew. Okay, it's finished. See you next time. Bye!